Hey everyone, it's just Jess, and today we are going to be making an oatmeal face mask. And what is it for? Skin tightening. That's right. If you're aging, this one's for you. And if you're not, it's never too soon to start. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need oatmeal. You're going to need a container with the white part of an egg in it, just one. You're going to need some measuring spoons, boom, and some olive oil. You're also going to want something to mix everything together with. Now I want to talk a little bit about why we're using each of these ingredients. First of all, the egg white. First, let's talk about the egg white. Egg white is rich. It has tons of different vitamins in it, and of course, protein. But it also is going to be removing, you know, all kinds of garbage that's on your face, on the surface. It's going to prevent acne, so bye-bye pimples. It's going to tighten your pores, give you firm skin, and a youthful look. You know, people always ask me how old I am, and they're kind of surprised to know that I am a lot older than you might think I am. What's that number? Not gonna tell. Number 2, olive oil. So olive oil contains antioxidants, and they fight off this radical activity that's going on, which causes skin damage. Also, what it's going to do is it contains healthy fat, so it's going to nourish that skin, lubricate, and of course, hydrate. So first, you're going to take that egg white. Oh, I got the wrong one here. Sorry about that. You're going to take the egg white, and you're just going to kind of mix it around until it's kind of like frothy. All right. So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to add in the other ingredients. Now, how much do you need? Well, obviously, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. So here we got our tablespoon of oatmeal, putting that in there now. Now we got our teaspoon, so I'm putting the olive oil in now. Set that aside, and I got our little mixer thing. And again, we're just gonna be mixing this, mixing it again till it's like super like frothy looking. Just keep mixing. Now I'm going to take off my glasses because I'm going to put this on. Normally you're going to want to put this on in your bathroom because that makes more sense. I'm wearing a Johnny Manziel shirt, so I really don't care if I get anything on it because it's worthless tea anyways. Probably why I found it in the Goodwill. Or you can use a towel to cover yourself while you're in the bathroom, whatever. Don't wear something nice. You're putting egg on your face. Now, before you put it on your face, you want to make sure that your hands are clean. Wash them with soap and water because this mask is going to be quite sticky, and it can be a pain to rinse off. You're going to put it on, putting it in a circular motion, and you're going to leave it on your face for 15 minutes. Okay, so now mine's like nice, and you can see kind of like mixed up. It should look like some kind of consistency like that. Again, it's kind of like, okay, putting it on. Again, circular motions. I like to get in there. There's quite a bit in here for there only being 1 egg, but so feel free to be generous. Share with a friend. Although maybe you don't, because you don't want their hands in the same thing that you're putting on your face. So I'm putting lots and lots. Probably got a little in my hair, yuck. Maybe you want to wear like one of those weird cotton things that go around. Okay, and now we're gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're in my bathroom, guys, so see me. We are going to use warm water, and I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. Make sure you get it all off. a minute. Make sure you're using warm water. Okay. Then you're going to want to take a towel. You're going to kind of just want to pat dry it. Don't rub your face. Just kind of pat it dry. Now afterwards, you might want to take a drop or two of olive oil and put it on your face just kind of to finish it up. But as you can see, I got it in my hair. So for this mask in particular, to avoid messes, I would apply it in the bathroom and do it right before you take a shower and wash your hair and get it out. So typically, according to the directions in the website that I saw that I got this mask from, which I will post in the comments below. So again, sorry I got interrupted there for a minute, but according to the website, I'm going to post it again down below in the comments. This mask is supposed to tighten your skin, make you feel younger. As you can see, normally I have like some forehead wrinkles, but you can't really see them. Hopefully because of this mask. So comment below, let me know what you think. Try it, tell me if it's gross or you know a better recipe that's better for your face. Love to hear it all. So as always, subscribe to my channel. And if you liked this video, make sure you check out my other video on the brown sugar scrub for your face that helps get away acne, pimples, that kind of stuff. All right, signing off. Bye.